Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDF patterns. First, calibrate your printer to ensure accuracy by printing the test square on the first page. Measure this square with a ruler. It should typically be exactly 1 inch by 1 inch or 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. If the square is incorrect, adjust your printer settings until it measures accurately. This critical step ensures all your pattern pieces will be the correct size. After printing, you will assemble your pattern. Some patterns instruct you to trim only 2 sides, while others require trimming all 4 edges. Follow your specific pattern's instructions carefully for this step. Once trimmed, align the pages using the reference marks, such as circles, squares, or specific lines. Overlap them precisely, then tape them together to create large, complete pattern pieces that are ready to use. Before cutting, always take a moment to review your assembled pattern. Ensure all pieces are present and correctly oriented, noting any cut on fold instructions. Lay your fabric flat and smooth, positioning the pattern pieces according to the grain line arrows. Pin the pieces securely to prevent shifting. Cut carefully around each piece with sharp shears or a rotary cutter, ensuring clean, accurate edges for sewing. One significant advantage of PDF patterns is the ease of customization. You can easily adjust the pattern to fit your unique body measurements. For instance, if your bust measurement is a size 12, but your hips are a size 14, you can grade between those sizes. Simply draw a smooth line connecting the 2 sizes on your pattern piece to achieve a perfectly tailored garment that feels comfortable and looks great.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.